And also I'm more comfortable for attending this section. Every day I'm waiting 3:30 p.m. Because I'm interesting to learning something new, and I like to learning some different kind of languages.
Okay.
I know Hindi very well. The only this reason I went to Desi group.
Okay.
So I know Hindi for writing and speaking. Well, this reason he is selecting me for the project.
Oh, okay.
So I'm also I've also wanted to learning English, but I don't get enough chance to before I don't get enough chance to learning English like this class, grammar class or spoken English, some kinds of class. But this is very useful for me. This section are though also basic group detach team. So I'm improving my confidence like that, and I think I'm come out from my comfort zone and overcome my fear that I believe till now. So
Okay.
I'm very thanks to, and also I thanks to you making more comfortable us for this session. And also Rashmi, she's very always connected to with us, always clear out doubts. So that's all, sir. That's my.
Fantastic. Very good. Nicely summed up, very, very nicely. And very good, Vandana. Fantastic. And you're saying this is more of a second sort of learning. So you are saying that you are literate in Hindi, you're doing a translation work. Is that what you said?
Before I doing transcription with sir, Hindi.
In Desi Crew?
Yes, sir, in basic group. That is the first project. In
Okay.
basic.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. See, a great thing to hear. And as you said, the commitment was there. You want to come in, and you had two little ones around you, and also the family chores and other work as well, the regular work. But I can see the commitment from you, because you've been one of the regular participants, and so always there. I think you attended all the classes apart from the Kerala one, where you were traveling from Kerala to Tamil Nadu, correct?
2 days, sir. I missed 2 days. Class.
2 days, right? So that itself is more than 95 there about that. So that is a fabulous commitment from your end. So that is very, very good. Hats off to you. So have this learning thing radar always up. So that is what it is. One, and I can see, if I talk about all the 4 facets in terms of listening, speaking, writing, and reading as well. So as far as your listening is concerned, none of the participants have any issue, right? But do it on a regular basis in terms of listening to some sort of video, some sort of something where they speak better English. I showed some TEDx stuff, or maybe YouTube and those kind of stuff and all. Because the more and more we listen, we will know how they are talking, what are the words they are using, and then somewhere down the line, unconsciously, you will be using it in your vocabulary. You will be using that style and all, right? So that will help you immensely. I've seen there are some, in terms of speaking or writing, I've seen some thing where past tense and present tense, I said yesterday as well, work on that. That's a very simple thing to have. That's a happy thing to have. Other than that, I've seen your sentences, you make big sentences, right? And you're not making small one. A lot of what do you call, a lot of thought process is there in terms of making that sentence. So this is all good job by you. Okay. And in terms of writing as well, I've seen your writing is also complete and very good. And one great thing about is, like I told about the commitments, the USPs, and also another thing is, like, you're very confident. Your voice is very confident, right? So that comes maybe with family as well, but some of the others could have family, could have kids as well, they may not have. So that's a very good thing to have. So looking at you, it shows that you're a very confident person. So that is a great thing. So use this confidence in a lot of things which you do in your life as well, right? So I think this is only, some other participants said, we just did this. This is just the beginning, right? So this is a long way to go, right? Somewhere down the line, don't ensure that it's not a long gap where work takes all the importance and you're not able to focus on this English part, which is very simple, which I told you. In terms of video, being in that zone, or write something or read something, and these are the things will do wonder for you, right? So, and if you keep doing it for maybe next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, you will see a vast improvement. And I can see that you can become a very flawless, very confident, and very a great speaker as well. That is all with you, right? And you have all the capability to do that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Bandana. Fantastic. And so let's move on to another participant, and that would be now Marzuka. Yes, Marzuka.
Sir, can I speak tomorrow?
You want to say, I'm just giving the feedback. That's it. So you want to share how was your journey and stuff and all. You don't have to make a free speech and all.
My first course was...
Have your camera on for this one. It will be great if you can do that. It will take longer time. No, it's not a short thing. Yeah.
My first course was data collection in Desiccrew, sir. Data cleansing.
Okay.
And I don't know anything about that. I simply chose that one. But the projects and assessments and all, I don't know anything. I just go there and see the video and come back.
Okay.
I go there, we watch the video and I come back. I don't know what is that. I don't even understand anything. Likewise, it went. But I was in AMFER, what is that? Result something. And now I choose English skill. Seriously want to improve my skill in English. And that's why I choose the subject, course. And it really come out well, sir. And I love this class and sessions and all. And I understand everything, what is going on here and all. So it's really helpful for me.
Fabulous. Good to hear, Marzuka. Very good.
Glad without you, sir, and without you, it would not be done, sir. It's really with you, with your help. Your trains well for us now. So that's why. Thank you so much, sir.
Fantastic. All good words to hear for the entire team. And brilliant, Marzuka. Very good to hear. And see, similarly, if I want to give you on all the 4 facets in terms of the language, in terms of the listening stuff, right? So I don't have to talk about any of the participants. You all great listeners. One. Second is like speaking. I've praised you as well quite a bit of time, right? Because you have flawless speaking already now, right? You do make some errors here and there, but that is all workable, right? It's all workable, but you look very confident, right? In terms of your voice, in terms of the way you speak, and also that is always there. You are able to put a smile as well. That is great. Another part, another very important thing is like you switched on the camera, and that's why I said, because see, do you feel any difference without camera and with camera now?
No, sir, no.
Now I feel a difference. Why? Because you feel more confident. We have another participant like named Apsana, right? Who is also from your community. And today we did the feedbacks. That was the last class for 201 today. She said, "Sir, it's great that I switched on the camera, because when you switched on, you become conscious, right? You know that others are looking at you. You become more careful when you're talking. See, tomorrow when you go to office, when you have to talk, no, you can't switch off your camera. You can't unmute yourself. You are there always. So that is what it also does. So that's why I pushed you. And after a while, I just literally pushed you and you had your camera. Same way Apsana as well. I did the same thing. But, right, that's there. So that is one thing. Take it from you. See, the world is not only in 4 walls. So that's something I don't know whether I will have an opportunity to have a chat with you later. See, there's a lot to explore, no matter where we are and which community we are. And that's something, that's not my space to guide you or tell you something, but I just wanted to share something with you. As a senior person, I just wanted to share. One. Second is like, if we come back to the language part, and so maybe your listening has helped you a lot, which you said about the web series and all, right? So that is a great habit. I've also instilled the YouTube and TEDx and those kind of stuff, right? There are a lot to listen, a lot to do, right? Make it interesting, like a movie and all, which we watched, right? So these are the stuff, please be in touch with that. That's very good. In terms of writing, I see great writing skills in you. right? If we had 201 and 301 in the next thing, I'm sure you would have easily come to scaled up that thing. You had it in you, so that is there, right? So this is all there. Another thing is like how you want to excel. So one thing is like we feel happy, we pat our back, great, fabulous, great. But where do you want to take this? Is Marzuka happy where she is, or she want to improve? That's a challenge. What is in it for me after from here, right? How do I challenge myself to become better? What are the spares where I can work on, right? So one thing is like definitely speaking is something which you can definitely see in terms of record yourself, few stuffs which you say in terms of grammar, in terms of those kind of a thing that I saw, right? And other than that, keep working this way. Write something wherever you can do. Talk to someone in English. If you have, you said you have people and all, and that's it. So you have a great ability to go to the next level, next level, and next level. So that's what I have to say. Be in that zone. That's very important. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure, Marzuka. My pleasure. Always pleasure of the trainer. Okay, and so let's move on to Pranati now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranati, your feedback. How was your experience as far as the training is concerned?
Yes, sir. Actually, this helps me a lot, sir. I simply selected this class actually, but after attending few classes, I actually realized that this will helps me a lot. And I improved my communication skill, and I have to talk with others without any fear. Before, in my college days or in my interviews, I didn't even attend any speech, or I didn't even attend any group discussion. I'm actually afraid of that. If they are conducting group discussion or speech, I'm actually not attending that interview also, and I'm not getting to giving a speech. But after this class, you are telling us to do some speech and all. Forcefully we are doing actually, but it helps me a lot. I don't think I am getting fear or what nowadays. I also to talk something about they are giving random speech or something. I have to think about that topic, and I have to talk. Some of the confidence is getting actually. I have to do speech, and I have to participate in group discussion and all. In earlier days, you are only you are in my sir. I get you. No, sir, I don't know how to tell and all.
Tell.
In my college days only, my English sir is like you only, sir. I am actually open up myself in before, sir. Actually, I have too much of opportunity. I didn't even attend any of the interviews and group discussion part. I hopefully in next interviews, I'll definitely attend the speech also and group discussion also. And I am getting more confidence about this language. Actually, I'm afraid of this language.
Okay.
So
Okay.
thank you, sir. Actually, you are so supportive. If we did wrong, also you are actually corrected the part. That helps me a lot. I'm actually my problem is about with the grammar, sir. So you are correcting some grammar part, and that vocabulary words also helps me a lot. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Fabulous, Pranati. Very good. Very honest feedback. That's what I would say. And very well thought out. And okay, just wanted to ask you about that college professor you spoke about. Like he also was like trying to help you, but you always wanted to run off. Is that what it is?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why did you do that?
No, sir. I don't know if speech and group discussion means I am getting so afraid of that. How to talk and all.
I understand. See, it's always there. I was telling yesterday as well. Even in my class, I remember I studied initially in other places, other parts and all. When my reading turn will come, no, I'll take the book. I will be counting. It's not only me. A lot of students. because you have to stand from your seat. Then when you stand and look at the class looks completely different. There are 50 students who are sitting there. There's a teacher there who's monitoring, and 50. And I studied in co-eds, and then you have boys, you have girls, right? What if you make an error? So a lot of things. So the focus is not on reading. Of course, you might have some difficulty and all. And there are some students who used to read, the entire desk used to shake because they're shivering down and all, right? So that's the fear. So somewhere the fear factor is there for everything, for language, for life, for doing something new. If tomorrow you go on a stage, you want to talk something in front of, say, audience of 100, you will have fear. But there is always a fear when you start anything. First time, second time, third time. First time, there will be fear, but you have plan, you will overcome that. But would have you done 100%? Maybe you wouldn't have done. But that fear factor is gone. Then now you get the confidence. That confidence will build you. You would have done something if you're prepared for something good. Some people would have appreciated you. These are all tonics for you, and which will help you. And then you go for the next time. Then you go for next time. Then you go again and again and again. And then one point of time you feel like, oh, okay, going into stage and talking is such a easy job and all. So that is what will happen, right? So always. So I'm so happy we got into you the language thing, where by making these kind of tasks which you did, like free speech or role play, vocabulary word as well. And I wanted to have the camera on when you do, because when you have camera on, no, then you become more conscious, right? So that is what it is. So very honest feedback from you, right? And I'm very glad, right? I can see that, because your personality is something like, it's not like a Marzuka personality or Vandana personality. Somewhere down the line, Pranati has to be pushed in to do something in terms of getting the confidence, because you are a little bit right. That's the nature. That we are happy, all the 5 fingers are not like, but you will have a lot of skills, right? But this is a skill, we can master it as well. This is not a difficult thing. And I always felt like you make good sentences, and whenever you bring out something, you are very focused into it. Your commitment as well. You're able to smile as well. That's a great thing. You can pat on your back, right? So you're very, so that way you're not not less of confidence. You're able to smile and all, right? You're very confident, right? If one example I want to give you today, maybe Nandini is not there. It's not like I want to give something when she is not there, but in comparison, I'll tell. So you are, even if I say something to Nandini, she will think whether I have to laugh or not laugh, right? But you are able to spontaneously laugh. You're able to understand. You're able to understand everything, right? So that is there, right? So one thing is like, I feel you have the confidence, and it's great that you've got this, all the fear factor and everything is gone. We're able to talk freely, right? Your listening is, as I said, for all the participants, it's great. Even Nitya Rubini or Nandini or other participants. It's very unfortunate these participants couldn't be here. Otherwise, we would have a bigger class. Right. Anyway, then apart from that, in terms of speaking, yes, there is room for improvement. Definitely room for everyone. That's because this is 101, right? But you're good, right? Record and listen to more, read more, especially listen more of these stuff. Maybe you're not, you're watching a lot of movies and all. So that is something which will, horror movie and all those things which you watch, right? Listen to those kind of movies, listen to TEDx, watch a movie and all. So this will all help. Keep it in your regular zone. That will help. Your writing is fabulous. I didn't find anything here and all. You make good sentences. So that is there. You're reading the way you read the stuffs as well. That's what the vocabulary time is there. That is also fine, right? So it's everything in you, how you want to excel. Right, take this confidence, don't leave it aside, and this goes for all the participants. Keep in regular touch with this, whatever we have learned. Whenever you find a new word, right, if you have so much of task today at work which has to be sent by 5 o'clock, you will not have a time to go through what is the word and the meaning and all, but write it somewhere. When you get time, see that. Don't leave that notebook. Keep that notebook for you, for life. maybe you might need it, right, for another 2-3 years, right? So that is there. So Pranati, in nutshell, what I have to say is that it's great to have you, and I'm glad and very happy this English team has been able to instill the confidence in you, and you have great skills to excel. You have to great skill. This is just a beginning, right? There's a long way to go for you. Okay. Okay, brilliant. So this completes. Unfortunately, Mahalakshmi is not here. I didn't want her to take the chance. Usually, I don't take the chance for the last class because anything can happen, right? Right. So that's what it is. So I've completed. So hopefully she will join us tomorrow. So let's see what we can do today. We have still more time. So let me find out. I also didn't do any lessons yesterday, so I will do some lessons. We can do a recap tomorrow. So let me see where we are, and maybe we can do the hobby expert tomorrow. That will be the last thing. Or if you want to do something great, maybe if you want to sing, tell a joke, everything can be done today, tomorrow. Like Pranati, Marzuka, and Mandana, if you want to say something or do something or show something and all, right, you all can do. So I'll do some slides. So we will finish it off. I think one participant was ready with hobby expert. I think we can go to Vandana and do it later. So let me first do some of the slides now, and then we can do. We have done till 95. At least we can take a few slides now. Okay, we have done slide up till 95, I believe. And but we will just quickly go back to a few of the slides and then quickly recap. So I'm at 93 now. Okay, so here it is. We have done the reading bit, right? We have also done the instant free speech and stuff like that, right? You have seen these slides, isn't it, Vandana? Just checking with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Both of us saying so, right? So this is like instant free speech, which I said, right? Always instant free speech can happen in your mind as well, right? It could be anything: breakfast, lunch, dinner, or maybe a weekend or a hobby and stuff like that. That's what you're going to do, your hobby and all, right? Whether summer, autumn, winter and all, right? Reading, I said, focused reading, very important. If possible, every day of your choice. And also accelerate the vocabulary of pronunciation, which is very important. And right, and words pronunciation improves grammar, language style, right? When you read something, this are all stuff which happens. Flow, sharpen writing skills as well. This is also very important because reading, listening will help you to speak. Reading will help you to write as well. Reading will also give you some vocabulary which you can use for speaking, right? So this is what it is. So if you're not into book and all, you can read, take some paper and start reading as well. So that is also will help you, right? A lot of this newspaper, they use very good language in terms of the style and all those things, right? So this is what will happen, right? Practice read aloud. So this is where we have to start from, right? What will be the benefit? Because you will see some words, but you don't know how to pronounce the word. So when you might think that you know the words, but you will not be able to pronounce it, right? So that is how the reading loud will help. Why read loud? Vocabulary building, comprehension practice. First thing, vocabulary it will build, like we did with vocabulary time. Comprehension practice, right? Because we did some comprehensions as well. No, it will help you to practice. Greater exposure to literature, how they are writing, their style, fluency modeling, how they are writing, right? Because some of the writers, if you're writing a book or you are printing a book or maybe writing on some websites and on internet or maybe in print, writing better be good, otherwise you will not be writing, right? So when we for speaking, as we say, when we listen to someone who's speaking better than us with good vocabulary words, good style and all, we will also try and use it in our style. Similarly, this will also help you. Easiest way to build all the aspects of literacy, including the pronunciation. See, if you look at a Fabergasted word, so it might sound very easy, but when you pronounce it, then you will find out it's not easy to pronounce. So when you read out loud, these kind of an tuning will happen of getting the pronunciation. If you don't know, go to the Pocket Dynamo, which is your mobile, and you will find out the pronunciation as well. Okay. So the next one is writing, right? All you need is pen and paper. Absolutely, right? You don't need anything. Good old times, what we had a pen and paper or a pencil for that matter. And we used to write a lot, right? Everything used to be in a diary. Even our mobile numbers and all used to be in a diary and all. Right now, things have changed everything. Even your phone has smart note, right? Where you can write something in the note which is there. All your numbers are saved. We don't remember a lot of stuffs as well in terms of, apart from a few numbers of your family members or maybe some important numbers, you may not remember a lot of numbers. So writing is another great skill which will help you, right? As you grow in your career, you will need writing, right? This is a normal email everybody can send, but if you want to think something and send, that will be also work as well. That is where your writing will help you. If there is an event which you want to talk about, if there is a meeting which is going to organize and what will happen in that meeting, what are the minutes of, what are the points which will be discussed, how you put it across will be decided on your writing skill, right? So that is why writing is also very important. Write every day. Every day, if it's you think it's not possible, at least weekly once, right? Include new vocabulary of words learned in the sentence, which you all do. So that's why I gave you a task of making into a sentence. Vocabulary is fine, making into the sentence, and I'm very glad a lot of you remembered most of the vocabulary words as well, which is very good. If writing in English is scary for you, right? An easy way to start is short and simple stuff. I've given short and simple. Today I told to Vandana as well how you cook. You went to some holiday, talk about that, some sort of those kind of a thing, right? Start by making to-do list and all, which is over now. To-do list is like what you want to do and all, that is also fine. Then begin writing things around you, events happening around you. That is what we did. Initially, you can do with small things, but now we are talking about work from home or maybe those kind of stuff which you have done, the place where you live, those kind of stuff. I don't know what are the topics which I have given. These are the topics, right? This is the Pocket Dynamo which I was talking about. Best use of it. It could be a laptop or a desktop or your mobile as well, right? All you say is that you can say the word, it will give you a meaning, it will give you the pronunciation, it will give you everything what you want, right? If you want to watch a TEDx or a YouTube or something like that, you definitely can feel free and watch this, right? So your learner now henceforth could be this as well, where you can learn a lot of stuff, right? So the English lesson plans are like, we have done free speech, quite a bit of it. Like Pranati was saying, it's a scary bit for a lot of stuff. So that is why I say English sometimes, it's not about your language sometimes. It's about the confidence. Since I have done this training for a long time, and I know a lot of participants, they feel like they don't have the confidence to do. It's not the language. So that's why initially, if you see what was done, I gave you a lot of confidence booster to all the participants. What we did like we gave you, this is a language which is part of you. All the words are there in English, right? You studied in school, you studied in college, right? So it's there. It's there in TV, it's there in television, it's there in writing, it's there in the place where you work and all, right? So do you think it's an alien language which is from outer space? No. It's a part of us, right? So this is all the confidence. See, If you have confidence, you can do wonderful thing. Confidence is not like thing, right? I have confidence, I can do anything. How will it happen? First thing is like, have the belief in you, have the confidence, but do the homework also. What is the homework? The hard work, or maybe the practice, or maybe knowing what to do, how to do and all. So what to do, how to do is been done here in the class. Right now, how you take it further, that is what it is. So initially we set in foundation, right? Then we discussed about the bottlenecks. What could be the bottleneck? You might think, what will other think about, right? That's why I had your camera. I wanted to have your camera on so that others can see you, that you are talking, right? So that is also give you confidence now, right? And tomorrow you will not have the same crowd. Tomorrow it will not be the trainer and the coordinator and same other participants for all the thing. You will have a different crowd. You will get another 10 different people, or maybe you might have 25 different people where you have to talk. That time you should only believe yourself. Not about, it will take some time for us to get used to others. That's a different thing. But we are only saying that what is the topic given to you, you talk about it. So don't get perturbed or don't get worried about the new members. Okay. You should be always confident on what you're doing. That's one. Okay. So I've already shared this quite a bit of time in terms of, then we talked about the techniques. Like what are the techniques? So those are the techniques which we use in the class, like free speech, right? Vocabulary time and all those things. Just give me 1 second. Okay, these are the stuff which we used in the class. Okay. So tips I gave you, start well, ended well. A lot of the free speeches was fabulous what you did, right? Something you talked about, something you indulge. When you talk about something which is you indulge, so that is very, very interesting to listen as well. Anecdotes is like your stories, right? If you do this, what will happen? If you don't do this, what will happen? And humor always works, right? So these are the stuff which keep in your mind whenever you have an opportunity to do something. Even if tomorrow, maybe your TL says, if tomorrow there's a call with your TL, or maybe after a week's time, yes, Vandana, Marzuka and Pranati, tell us your thing. What did you learn? So always there also you can add something, these kind of stuff as well, right? According to the situation, right? So free speech meaning only it's not an English class. This could be for your life, wherever you are asked to do something, share something. If your TL talks in English, talk to them in English. If your manager asks some question, talk to them. If they are talking in Tamil, don't talk in Tamil or Kannada. Talk to them in English. Tell them that you have got the skills, right? So that is what it is. Now, GD, I don't know whether we did GD here. You did fabulously well. So this is again, this is why Pranati was saying this is for most of the job. They see what's the confidence, how polite you are you cutting others and talking. It's about the teamwork as well, where you acknowledge others' view as well. Social skills, listening ability. You also become a leader. Hey, you haven't spoken much. Why don't you want to share something, or maybe, right? So those kind of stuff. They want to see the leadership as well. Listening ability, problem solving, communication. This is all it does. So we did here as well. Role plays, I'm not too sure whether we did it here. But Rashmi, did we do role plays here, 101? Yeah, we did that also. Role plays as well, we did it. So that was another activity which we did. And this is very important to complete, right? They say, no, you make us complete. What will make you complete? Because see, like this is a basket full of vegetables. There should be fruit as well. I will change this picture. See, if you want to be healthy, apart from the health, apart from your exercise, sleep, and being happy, and all those things, you also need good quality food. So that includes food and vegetable, right? Similarly, if you want to be complete, you need to have a lot of vocabularies, right? If you want to be good in speaking, you need to have the style, you need to have the flow, you need to have the flawlessness, right? If you want to be good in writing, you need to again be able to do the stuff which we have discussed. So that will make it complete. So it's not about whether are we complete today or not, but do we have the thought? Do we have the mindset? Do we have what's in it for me in for future, for what are we going to do in next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. That's the challenge, and that's a personal challenge which you all should take. And if you do that, no, I see great potential in all you three, and you will really excel. So with this, what we will do is like we will stop now, and so I'll stop my screen sharing. So what we will also do is like I'll go to Vandana now, right? So Vandana, if you want to do your hobby expert, so we have some time, and we will check with the other participants as well, so we can have some tasks completed today. Yes. What's the hobby you're going to talk about today? What are you expert in? What you want the audience to learn? Me, or maybe I should call myself wrong. Last Rashmi, Marzuka, and Pranati. What are you teaching us today?
My hobby is reading, and my father brings the habit with my life. He's such a wonderful man. I want to ask him this time because in my childhood he brings a lot of books instead of chocolate and toys.
Okay.
He also brings some books for. We are 3 daughters, and at that time I'm also a 90 kids. At that time, famous book was published in every Friday. It's called Balarama. It's child magazine like.
Okay.
Small stories, rhymes, etc. So that is my beginning to reading. That is the beginning of my reading the book. And, I start my reading till I continue still now. That's with me. I recommend all of you, please do like sometime. Please make some time for reading some newspapers, others magazines. What you like, some magazines like because this is very good habit. We learn many vocabularies and more stuff like from reading habit because. The main advantage is we many points we get spontaneously through reading, and also one disadvantage is in reading. In our mind, we are thinking lots of points, but we don't know how to express in words.
Okay.
That's what disadvantage I face.
Okay.
And also, yes, it's very good habit. And also, I'm passionate some another hobby, baking, cakes.
Okay,
Cake.
very good.
And I'm start before 1 year. I just experiment baking, and it's a success. I'm making some cakes for my daughters and my neighbors. So okay, I take that as a profession in future. And I also recommended that do your hobby for something trade. Make your hobby like your profession. Make your profession. That's also.
Fantastic, very good thoughts in the last thing, because apart from your life, have an hobby, right? Apart from the routine, so that's a great takeaway for everybody, for me also, and we all should have something away. See, sometimes when we get too busy and like we are completely stuck in work or maybe family and all, we should also have some time for ourselves as well. That's very, very important. Me time, they call it, and very, very good. So I know this Balarama. So it is like Manorama. For elders, it is Manorama, right?
It's a novel. It's biggest book, but Balarama is a same company, same edition.
Manorama, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is child magazine. Manorama is some kind of including some novels, others, some big things.
Okay. I remember this Manorama. See, when we were young, no, we used to be like prepare for competitive exams and all, right? So Manorama yearbook it used to come. I don't know. I still have one book with me. So Manorama yearbook will have all the world capital, all the awards, all something who's who, what, and all. Who's the president, who's not. That will all be asked in the exams and all. So that is what it is. So I remember this. So the moment you said Balarama, and I like the bit, instead of pampering with chocolates, your dad wanted you to read books. That's a great thing. Okay, that's a fabulous thing. That's what, as a parent, I'm sure you're doing with your kids as well, to teach something. That is what we can do. And this is a fabulous thing. Right. For me as well, no, I remember my reading habit got into, I love reading newspaper. Right. Yesterday also I got some time. I read last 4-5 days of newspaper. Why? Because I love reading newspaper. Some information you'll get, something and all. So that is there. So that is all in young age. As a parent, know what is the guidance you give to your kids. So that's something they will hold on to it. Right. I always say personally, I'm sharing something. See, study is something everybody will do. A, B, 1, 2, and all those things. Anybody will do. But what is that you're giving your kids apart from studies? Right? We always keep saying like, okay, they're not good in this, they're not good in that. But look at what they're good at. They could be good in memory. They could be good in maybe maybe they are very bold in communicating and all. Right? They could be good in something else. So as a parents, it's very important for us, or maybe sports, or maybe singing, or maybe dance, anything. Pick up what they are good at and work on. I'm not saying that leave all the studies and all. So that is also, see, because today's life is like, it throws a lot of avenue apart from your studies. What is that you can do? You can become a singer, you can become a dancer, you can become a sports person, you can become so many other things, right? Or you can make a YouTuber. There are a lot of kids, who have channels, who have lakhs and lakhs of viewers as well. Okay, anyway, so you've learned baking thing as well. Do your kids eat what you bake and all? They love it?
Yes, sir. My baby first birthday, I prepared red velvet cake for
Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. It's so different with my kid. He always says bake cake, but when we bake cake, no, he will not eat. Yeah, others only have to eat. So it's good, like your babies are eating the cake. Fantastic. So we have done one hobby expert. It was a fantastic things to share. One is reading, another is like she's doing baking. So what we will do is like when I asked Marzuka, she said yes, sir. So that itself was 50-50, no, sir. So Marzuka will have some time for tomorrow, and similarly Pranati as well. So it's 4:30 or 4:31 now. So we will say good evening or good day to everyone, and we will catch up again. Tomorrow is the last day. So please come, think about some jokes, think about something you can bring in where you want to do. If you want to sing something, say something and all, and we will do a quick recap as well. And hopefully Marzuka will also be there. And just check with Nandini as well if you want to join in Rashmi, right? Saying that it's the last day, or maybe any participant, right? Like those who came for some time, Nitya Rubini, and maybe other participants. If they are not well, that we can't do anything. If they want to join in for the last day, they can definitely do, or even Subhashini as well. Okay, check with them if they want to come. I know they have fallen behind, they may not qualify and all, but that's a different thing. Thank you, everybody. We will catch up again tomorrow. Bye for now. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye. Rashmi, what's